What's going on, my beautiful prepping family?
Hi.
Here with the wife. We came to Costco. Show you guys different prices. See if there's any price inflation, empty shelves. See if anything's being affected due to diesel here. You know, I've been seeing in the comments people saying there's not going to be any diesel shortage. You know, you might be right, but if diesel gets to $10 a gallon, it's like there is a shortage. Who's going to want to pay for that? What truck driver is going to make money doing that? Or transportations or transporters at that in general, you know? It's going to affect everybody, you know, once it goes up to that price, you know. And out of that, the limitations of products getting to the stores as well. And, you know, this crisis that's going on with the baby formula, you know. I mean, it all trickles down to the truck drivers not be able to afford this diesel price once it gets to $10. So we're about to go in here and show you
Let's see what they got in there. Let's see the shortages. Let's see must-have items. Let's see what deals they got going on
and show you guys prices.
Yeah,
stay tuned. We're about to go in here. So far the Costco parking lot looks packed. I have not seen it like this in a while. This is right before we start heading into the store, but the Costco parking lot is full and packed. Let's see what it looks like inside. So they got the 77-inch for $25.99. 65-inch for $13.49. Look, this is a good prepping and survival kit for $50. This straw right here, it filters your water straight from any dirty water. It filters it right away, only for $50, and it's a 4-pack.
must-haves.
These are must-have right here.
Must-haves.
Definitely. Look. This portable gas fireball as well. You know, it's a must-have in case you are outdoors. And it's for $79.99. Cooler costs $100. So here at Costco, they have a infrared thermometer for $20, which that's pretty good on that price. Look at the lines; they are ridiculous. COVID home test as well, $25. Also, I do recommend that thermometer. I do own it. It's really good, easy to use. It's pretty awesome. This is a good must-have as well. You know, if you had a generator at home, these are good 50-foot cord and reels, and they also have like plugs on the outside of it. So it's pretty dope. $60, that's not a bad price. Preparations as well, $26.99 for a fire extinguisher. Okay. Never know when you may need one. It's a generator right here for $800. And it says dual fuel, so it takes gas and it also takes propane, which is pretty cool. Gives you the option. It's pretty dope. So, you know, gas is rising up, but I don't think propane's prices has went up, so it's pretty cool. It gives you both options, that it runs on both. 3,200 running watts.
Lanterns.
Your preparation flashlights, preparation lanterns are
not bad. Is a dual
pack for $22.99. It's not bad at all. Also a good defense pepper spray fogger, $25, which is not a bad thing for your bugs. Mosquito repellents, and then your traps as well for bugs outside. It's a mosquito lantern as well. It's a 3-pack right here for $32. Not bad. This is a sleeping bag right here. Has like a memory foam in it. It says Core 30 degree sleeping bag. Also a traveling hammock for $25.99. These are like tiki torches right here. My wife was showing me, and they're also bug repellents. Pretty cool. I don't see the price on this, but I don't see the price. They don't have it at all. It's a dual pack. Actually, it's 40. Yes, it's $49.99. $49.99. And then they got this backpack cooler. Pretty cool right here. You can store your stuff on the go.
Oh, it has even, yeah, it even brings the ice packs, the packs. Already in there, 2 of them.
Look, people, they have outdoor camp tables for $23.99. Check it out, it's pretty dope.
They have the matching set.
They have the chair as well for outdoors. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And then they got this other hammock chair. It reclines back like a hammock.
It swivels.
Swings back and forth. A good preparation kit right here. It is a tire inflator. It's pretty nice for $59.99. And then they got this jump starter. I mean, everybody drives, so I mean, I know you need one of these. Pretty dope as well. They sell a 5-gallon gas can for $17.99. That's pretty cheap, but everybody's gonna need one of these to prep, you know, especially with gas going so high on prices right now. And if there is a shortage, you can come and fill those things up. You know, look how dope this thing is. It's $35.99, and it's 1-gallon jug. Look how dope. It's like a thermal. You can store soups in there on the go. It's pretty dope.
Look how big. Look how big it is. I like that.
Pretty nice. It's not bad on the price.
2 colors.
Yeah. It's great for outdoor camping, sports. Hell, you know, if you got to pack and go. This artisan bread is really good. I've tried it before. $4.59. It's really good, especially to make grilled cheese sandwiches. Man, they're amazing. Man, this thing is packed. For real, this thing is packed. $10 a pound? Wow. $8.39 a pound. For your wing lovers, $4 a pound. But it comes seasoned already. For your the grill lovers that like to smoke pork, $5 a pound. So this is organic chicken in a pack already. Look at the prices on these things, man. $5.99 per pound. And they come in a pack like this, chicken breast. Then they have tenderloins as well. $5.49 a pound. But what's crazy is that, look at the dates.
Oh, the Eagles, good luck.
Like, I'm wondering if this chicken's like been here for a while. This is another different chicken breast right here. $3.49 a pound. It's not organic, but also look at the dates. These chicken meatballs right here are really good. We've tried these before. Teriyaki and pineapple are really good. Get some of your rib and loin chops. $2.49 a pound. It's not bad. All prepared meals as well that you could reheat.
Have time for dinner. Cook dinner.
Got a big old salad. This is really good too. We have eaten this real good. We have eaten this salmon as well before. It's really good, man. So the milk is $4.59 a gallon. The blue labels is $4.19 a gallon. As you can see, very limited here. Don't know why. The eggs also very limited. $3.99 for a 24 count. Not bad. This one's a 5 dozen for $9.29. Not bad either. Very limited though on supply there. For you egg white lovers, comes in a pack like this, and it brings 16 ounces cartons. They're like milk cartons. Scotch, $24.99, 36 rolls. Their waters is $3.99, but as you can see how much they have left, it brings a 40 count of the Costco brand. You know, grill season is about to start. $17.99.
If you don't want to do your own meat, season your own meat. This is already
we tried already. These. They're pretty good.
They're cooked. You just gotta pretty much throw them in the grill, grill them up.
Yep. Hellman's mayonnaise. This is the mayonnaise we buy. Brands we like. 64 ounce for $8.99. This is a good. They got a good section for all your pet's needs.
Thank you, Maggie.
Your Honey Nut cereals for $8.19. Comes in a 2-pack. This cereal right here is really good. Really good. Kellogg's cornflake. Frosted Flakes right here. It's a twin pack as well. 2 bags, $7.29. 2 bags of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, $6.79. This is a must-have for your preparations in your pantry. It's powdered peanut butter. It is good to store, good to have, and a must keep. Here goes your must-haves as well. Emergency food supplies, 60 servings. It's called Ready Wise. It comes in a container like this.
Up to 25-year shelf life. Breakfast, entry, snacks, and drinks.
$73.99 here at Costco. $40 for a 40-pound bag of rice. I mean, they have different style rices here. Now I got a question for you guys. What is the difference between all these rices? Why just don't have one and the different prices, you know? The Hawaiian bread rolls, $5.89. 24 pack of ramen noodles, cup of noodles, $7.89. Vienna sausage as well. Comes 18 cans, packed like that. They got the Spam as well, $19.99. So look how long your dog section is, all the way down there. They got a good selection here, Costco, for your pets. The end's right there. Corn, 12 cans. Comes in a box like that. Early peas, $10.39. Comes in a 8 cans, box like that. Cut green beans, $10.79. Comes in a box like that, 12 cans. Now if you're going green beans in a bigger can, they have it there. Smaller can. These are asparagus spears. Tomato paste is good to store as well in your pan. These takeaway 38 ounce. Takeaway 38 ounce, 25 count. So good for food preparations. Containers to prep food in, store away, put in the fridge, freezer. Have your heavy spoons, forks, and your heavy weight knife. Have your pasta here. Very limited supply on the pasta. But as you can see, Costco, it is packed today. They have a real nice pharmacy here too. In Costco. These are your Tylenols here. It comes in a 1-pack. It brings 325 caplets, and it's 500 milligrams each for $16.89. This is the one for arthritis pain. These are must-have as well. Rapid release gels, $16.99. So your rubbing alcohol comes in a 2-pack, $4.79. Peroxide 2-pack, $2.19. How crazy this is getting. Ridiculous, yo. Like I was saying about the propane, $39.99. That's for that generator that splits it off with the gas and propane. Look how crazy this is. The people trying to get fuel here at Costco. Look how ridiculous these lines are. And it goes all the way back there. I mean, dang. It is crazy. Like when I said this parking lot is packed, it is packed. Well, there you have it, people. We just walked through to see if there was empty shelves, the price inflations, and if there was any shortages. You saw the people trying to pump gas. I do appreciate you guys tuning in. And remember, if you're new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button. Those that are already subscribed, please turn on the notification bell. It'll be greatly appreciated. What are your guys' thought of what's going to happen here shortly? What do you foresee shortages on? You know? Let me know in the comments. But like I said, we do love you and we do appreciate it.
Yes, guys. Make sure you hit that button. Hit the button.
Bye. See you on the next one.
Bye.